The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than twice its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 72 centimeters, find its length and width. We know that we're looking for the length and the width, so one of those is going to be x, and then we have to write the other one in terms of x. They tell us that the length of the rectangle is 3 centimeters more than twice its width. So they tell us something about the length based on the width, but they don't tell us anything directly about the width. That's going to end up being x because that's the thing that we know nothing about. So let's let the width be x. Now we need an expression for the length. So let the length be, and we have to write it in terms of x. So if we look, it says the length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than twice its width. Well, we decided that the width would be x, so twice the width would be 2x, and 3 centimeters more than that would be 2x plus 3. So now we have expressions for the width and the length. We need to write an equation that models the situation. And because this is a rectangle problem and we're given the perimeter, we're going to use the formula for perimeter, P equals 2L plus 2W. Now we know the perimeter is 72, so the left-hand side is going to be 72. And on the right, we need to plug in the expressions we have for L and W. So we have 2 times L, so we've got 2 there. But we need to multiply that by the length. Well, the length is 2x plus 3, so we've got to take that 2 and multiply it by 2x plus 3. Then we need to add twice the width, but the width is just x, so we're adding 2 times x. Now, we can multiply the 2's on the right-hand side. We've got to distribute the first one. That'll get rid of the parentheses. When we distribute that 2, we end up with 4x plus 2 times 3 is 6. And then we also have the other 2x that's being added on. We can combine like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x. So that gives us 72 equals 6x plus 6. If we subtract 6 from both sides, that'll give us 66 equals 6x. And then to get x alone, we divide by 6, which gives us 11 is equal to x. Now we go back up to our let statements. We said that the width would be x, but we figured out that x is 11. So the width is 11, and this is measured in centimeters, so it'll be 11 centimeters. The length was 2x plus 3. Well, 2 times 11 is 22, and then 22 plus 3 is 25, so that's got to be 25 centimeters. We need to finish with our conclusion. They said to find its length and width. We can say its length is 25 centimeters. And its width is 11 centimeters. And that's our final answer.